on your press that's different and start printing. That's why MarkAndy has spent the last 2 years working with our technical partners, including Flint Ink, to make sure that we had a production-ready system that used the exact right wavelength in the lamp with the correct initiators in the ink to get us this high-speed flexo production. Hang on a second, Darren. Don't start just yet. As of last night, I'm pleased to announce that the work we've done over the last 2 years with Flint has resulted in this year's Label Industry Global Awards for Innovation, together with Flint Ink. All right, Darren, having said that, let's start the press and show the folks. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the purple haze. Welcome to the future and welcome to LED UV printing from MarkAndy. Now, notice how quiet this press is running behind me. That's because there are no exhaust blowers necessary with this UV system. LED UV does not emit any ozone or mercury vapors that need to be removed from the area. It's very clean. It also does not create any heat. Most standard UV systems are running at 350 degrees Celsius. What you see running below the press right now is only running at 60 degrees Celsius. Also, let me point out that we are running at a very focused bandwidth of 395 nanometers. There is no wasted energy coming out of this lamp. All the energy in this lamp is being used to cure that ink. And that's what is facilitating high speeds that we can run on this press. You'll also notice that there are no moving parts required. There is no shutters to open and close. There are no gradually debilitating bulbs that have to be removed every 1,000 hours. And these lamps themselves are rated for a minimum life of 20,000 hours. So you can see there's really very little maintenance involved at all in this system. The other thing we want to point out is that this UV system is instant on and instant off. That means it's only on when it has to be curing ink, okay? When he stops the press, they go off. You can imagine how much electricity this will save you in the course of a year. As a matter of fact, the total cost of ownership for a Pro LED system is going to be less than half of what you're paying today for a standard UV system. As a matter of fact, this press has such a small environmental footprint that we can actually install it in that forest behind me. And all the birds and the animals and your local regulators will be very happy to accommodate this press. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, another rock star from MarkAndy. I think you can see how the Performance Series has yet again raised the bar by combining the world's most environmentally friendly UV system with the world's most productive press, the Performance Series, now with more than 250 installations worldwide. So I'd like to, on behalf of Darren and myself, thank you all for joining us for these few minutes to see this presentation. You're next going to see a presentation on my left on the P5, where we're going to do a complete job change. You will also see last year's FTA award-winning quick change die cut technology. So I'd like to thank you all for your attention. Enjoy the rest of your stay.